Tired of hunting for the print button in Zoho Books? Learn the exact 6-click workflow to print any sales order in under a minute. First, open Zoho Books and go to Sales Orders. Then, open the specific order, use the PDF/print button, and finish with 2 quick print clicks. Open Zoho Books. Now, from the left sidebar, click on Sales Orders to access the list. Scroll through the list and open the specific sales order you need to print. Once the order is open, locate and click on the PDF Print button. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Print. Click Print in the Print preview to send it to your printer. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.